serve as a bright beacon of our land. It is like the ever-brilliant sun that continues to shine and guide us in our ways. Such is the role of a Cavalier, to be the shining light for the Filipino nation. Our role as cadets is to bathe in the bright sunshine given forth by the Academy, and to set out into the world, bringing light and hope to the farthest corners of the land.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines is appointed by our Constitution as a solitary defender of the citizens in the state. Its mandate is to uphold the sovereignty of the land and the integrity of our national territory. Cadets are trained with that stipulation in mind. The Academy exerts our duty to serve the people and influence them with integrity and journalism. The drillers, as young members